Hi viewers, this is Tirthavas. Today we are discussing about the gravitational force. What is gravitational force? The attraction due to the gravity is called a gravitational force. That means the force is acting towards the center of the earth is called a gravitational force. In this chapter, in 8th and ninth class, we have to learn about the motion of an object and force as the causes of a motion. We have learned that the force is to need the change the speed or direction of a motion of a object. We always observe that an object dropped from a height fall towards the earth. We know that all the planets go to around the sun. The moon goes to around the earth. In all these cases, there must be some force is acting on the object. The planets and the moon on the moon. Isaac Newton could be grasped that some force is responsible for all this. This force is called a gravitational force. In this chapter, we shall learn about the gravitational and universal law of a gravitational. We shall discuss the motion of a object under the influence of gravitational force on the earth. We shall study how weight of the body varies from place to place. We shall also discuss the condition for object to flow in liquids. We know that moon goes around the earth. An object when thrown upwards reaches a certain height then falls downwards. It's said to be when Newton was sitting on a tree, an apple fell down on him. The fall of an apple made Newton start thinking. He thought that if the earth can attract an apple, can it is not attracted the moon. Is the force same in both cases? It's considered that the same type of an force is responsible in both the cases. Is argued that at each point of its orbit, the motion fall towards the earth instead of going up in a straight line. So, it instead of going off in a straight line, so it must be attracted by earth. But we do not really see the moon is falling towards the earth. We have to discuss a stone describing a circular path with velocity of a constant magnitude. Take a piece of a thread and tie a small piece of a stone at one of its ends. Move a stone to describe a circular path with constant speed by holding the thread at other end as shown in a figure. Before the thread is released, the stone moves in a circular path with certain speed and changes the direction at every point. The change in direction involves a change in acceleration or velocity. The force that causes this acceleration keeps the body moving along a circular path. It acts towards the center. This force is called a centripetal force. In absence of this force, the stone fills off around along a straight line. This straight line will be tangential to circular path. What is definition of a tangent to circle? A straight line that meets the circle at one end, only one point, is called a tangent to circle. We have take the 3 points. At one end is A, at one end is C, which B is touches to one point to circle is called a tangent to circle. The motion of the moon around the earth is due to the centrifugal force. The centrifugal force is provided the force for attraction of the earth. If there were no such force, the moon would be purchased a uniform straight line motion. It is seen that falling an apple is attracted towards the earth, or the apple attracts the earth. We cannot see the earth moving towards an apple. Why? According to Newton's law of motion. What is Newton's law of motion? For every action, there is a equal and opposite reaction. The apple does not attract it, but according to second law, for given a force, the acceleration is directly proportional to mass of an object. The mass of an object apple is negligible small compared to the earth. So we cannot see the earth moving towards the earth. Extend the same arguments for why earth does not move towards the moon. In our solar system, all the planets around the sun, by argue the same way, we can say that they exert the force between the sun and planet. From above the fact, Newton concluded that not only does the earth attract and appeal on the moon, but all the objects in the universe attracted each other. This force of attraction between the object is called a gravitational force.